Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A38, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your device through recovery mode. With that being said, doing so will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you don't know, this will get rid of it. Now, unfortunately, if you also have a Google account on the device, this will lock it. So when you're going through the setup process, you will need to verify either the Google account or the screen lock that was previously utilized on this device. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm gonna lock the device and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my screen lock. As you can see, there it is. So we're gonna hold our power button and then you wanna swipe down to power it off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button, and I believe it's volume down on this device. So let's try it. Power, volume down at the same time. And you get a recovery mode at the bottom. So once you see this text right here, you can let go of these two buttons and wait for the language selection page like this one. And here, tap on the desired language. For me, it's English. Next, we're gonna select Format Data. And then it generates a random code right here, a 4-digit code. So for me, it's 6773. So just put it in on the keypad. And as you can see, the screen lock that I had was a pattern. So this is completely irrelevant what you get right here. It's not a verification of any sorts. It's just a kind of like a confirmation code that you do want to reset it. And from there, we're gonna select Format. This will now begin wiping all the data from the device. And this state right here only takes a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's already finished. So we're going to click on OK. This will initiate a reboot and continue resetting the device in the background. So this second part, meaning the reboot of the device, will take a little bit longer, so possibly like 3 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.